Good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma again. Now we are going to discuss next topic, and our topic is that phases of decision making. Phases of decision making. There are five phases of the decision making process. The detail of these phases have already been discussed. These five phases will be elaborated in the form of example for better understanding. Okay. According to organization, if you're talking about organization, the main activity of an organization consists in making decision making. Decision making involves the solution of a course action from among two or more possible alternatives in order to arrive at a solution for a given problem. Decision making is a process of identifying and choosing an alternative courses of action in a manner appropriate to the demand of the situation. It is very important thing to demand of the situation. Okay. According to R.C. Davis, management is a decision making process. Decision making is an intellectual process which involves selection of one course of action out of many alternatives. Okay, decision making will be followed by second function of management called planning. The other element which follow planning are many, such as organization, directing, coordinating, controlling, and motivating. There are lots of factors coming in the way of decision making. Okay. Intelligence is search for condition in the environment that call of decision. Okay. Design, inventing, developing, and analyzing possible course of action. Choose, selecting a course of action from those available. Implementation, the select course of the action. Monitoring, check the consequence of the decision made after implementation. For example, assume that the multinational company is considering opening a branch in Pakistan. Identifying typical activities that would be performed in each phases: intelligence, design, choice, and implementation of the decision to make or not to open a branch. Okay, fine. The intelligence phase, scan the environment to identify problem, situation, or opportunities. Conditions that call for decision or identifying typical activities include country risk based on following: country credit rating, transparency, corruptions, facility for one window operation, level of bureaucracy, SRO culture, government policy, law and order, exchange rate. For instance, international bank while entering into country make assessment of exposure and thus limit the maximum number of transactions the bank can undertake. What are the possible advantage, disadvantage, and risk? How much resources will be derived from other activities? When should we start, and so forth? The design phase. Possible courses of action are invented, developed, and analyzed. Typical activities include information system, select criteria for assessing the alternatives, for example, ROI, mark market share, etc. Create alternatives, invest now, invest later, do not invest. Analyze level and timing of invest. Information flow for decision making. Prepare a feasibility study. How will the choose be made, by whom, and when? There's lots of things to come in the way of the decision making. So there's a things. Fourth one is the choice phase. The course of action is selected out of the advanced alternative as devised in the design phase. Typical activities include get information, final evaluation, sensitivity, analyzing. Choose among alternatives. When it take to make your decision, be sure that the understand the risk involved with your choice route. You may also choose a combination of alternatives now that you fully grasp all relevant information and potential risk. The implementation phase. Implement the selected course of action. Typical activities include follow the implementation plan, deal with resistance to change and necessary approval and authorization, conduct training, transfer resources, take action. Next, you will need to create a plan for implementation. This involves identifying what resources are required and gaining support from employee and stakeholders. Getting other on board with your decision is a key component of executing your plan effectiveness. So be prepared to address any question your concern that may arise. Okay. Next one is rational individual model of decision making. Since individual in total make up organization, hence it is responsible to build information system which facilitate the individual decision making. These are rational man, comprehensive model, bounded relation, uh, bounded rationality, modeling, successive, comprehensive, psychological, cognitive type. The basic assumption of all these models is the human being are rational. Review your decision. An often overlooked but important step in the decision making process, evaluating your decision for effectiveness. Ask yourself what you did well and what can be improved next time. Even the most experienced business owner can learn from their mistake. Be ready to adopt your plan as necessary or to switch to another potential solution. Tron Small Business explain, if you find your decision did not work out the way you planned, you may want to revisit some of the previous steps to identify a better choice. The rational model. The rational manager view assumes a rational and completely informed decision making maker, economic man, as described by neoclassical macroeconomic theory around the middle of the previous century. The process of rational decision making comprises a number of steps, such as those given by Simon 1977. Intelligence, finding a question for making a decision. Design, inventing, developing, and analyzing possible course of action. Choice, selecting a particular course of action from those available and reviewing, assessing past choice. In classical or perfect rationality, method of decision analysis are used to attach numerical value or utilities to each of the alternative during the choice phase. The alternative with the highest utility for maximum subjective expected utility is selected. When using the rational model in this fashion, it is assumed that managers know of all possible alternatives first. Second, know the consequence of implementing each alternative. Third one is have a well organized set of preference for this consequence. And fourth one is have the computational ability to compare consequence and to determine which is preferred. Okay. Huh. Here is the common challenges of decision making. Although following the step Although following the step outlined above will help you make more effective decisions, there are some pitfalls to look out for. Here are common challenges you may face, among with best practices to help you avoid them. Having too much or not enough information. Gathering relevant information is key when appropriating the decision making process, but it is important to identify how much background information is truly required. An overloaded of information can leave you confused and misguided and prevent you from following your institution according to corporate wellness medicine. Okay. In addition, relying on one single source of information can lead to bias and misinformation, which can have disastrous effective down the line. Misidentifying the problem. In many cases, the issues surrounding your decision will be obvious, however, there will be a time when the decision is complex and you are not sure where the main issue lies. Conduct through research and speak with internal expert who experience the problem firsthand in order to mitigate this. It will save you time and resources in the long run. Corporate Wellness magazine says. Overconfidence in the outcome. Even if you follow the step of the decision making process, there is still a chance that the outcome will not be exactly what you had in mind. That's why it is important to identify a valid option that is plausible and achievable. Being overconfident in an unlikely outcome can lead to adverse result. There is an impact on consequence for every alternative being followed. Rational man model. In a rigorous rational model, it is presumed that the individual is rational enough to accurately rank all the alternatives. However, in the real world of human, specifying all of the alternative and consequence is possible. Information system. Information system based on this model need to be based on ability of perfect and complete information on all alternative so as to ensure certainty. Real life situation need to be given room for chances which this model does not provide for it. Rational man model. In a pharmaceutical drug company, the preparation and testing of life-saving drug is a critical phase, and choice of a perfect alternative is inevitable. Hence, the information system divides support it should be such that it can record the monitor even the slightest variation in an ammunition factor. The testing and quality control of various bullet shells, missiles, bombs, etc. as sensitive issues. Since chains of error are quite high, the system from selecting and discarding should be with the high sensitive level. Bounded relation. The model of bounded relation, thus satisfying process orientation view, is based primarily on Simons 1979 work on bounded relationality, admitting that the rational manager does not allow have complete information and that optimal choices are not always required. According to Simon, as quantitated by Chess, human relation behavior is shaped by a Caesar who two-bladed are the structure of task environment and the computational capability of the actor. This scissors cut the problem space into much smaller area that is feasible to search. Bounded relation is characterized by the activities of searching and satisfying alternative are searched for and evaluated sequentially. If an alternative satisfies certain implicitly or explicitly test minimum criteria, it is said to satisfy and the search is terminated. The process of searching might be made easier by the identification of regularities in the task environment. Highly acclaimed for the theory of boundary relation, it is still described rational behavior. Do not distinguish between perfect and bounded rationality in their classification of decision making model. The incrementalist view, the logical incrementalist view, involve a step-by-step process of incremental action and keep the strategy upon the adjustment. Disjointed incrementalist modeling through. Actually, it is a modeling through. Marginal feasible changes are made. Work from the status quo to solve existing problem rather than toward goal. Okay. Keeping in, keeping in view the high level of perfectionism and completeness required by the rigorous relation model. Certain adjustments were made in this model. The purpose was to seek sufficiency instead of an optimizing outcome. Bounded rationality focus on the fact that individuals prefer to avoid new uncertainty alternatives and rely on tried and true rules SOPs. According to the model, individuals bound the relation behavior of choice the best alternative by choosing a sufficient alternative. That is why it is termed as boundary rationality information system. Based on this model are close to reality in terms of considering alternatives which are most commonly available. Quick decision making can be encouraged through this model. Cost benefit analysis is a must in choosing an alternative in a decision making model. Where an alternative being given is difficult to implement in terms of cost involved, the management might choose a less than perfect alternative has sufficient instead of optimizing modeling through. This model is closer to reality as compared to the above two goals. This model has introduced the concept of incremental decision making, which decisions are taken by choosing policies most likely the previous ones. For the purpose of information system need to be intelligent and include knowledge based system to be help and compilate and use knowledge. Psychological cognitive type, these refer to the underlying personality disposition toward the treatment of information, the selection of alternative and evolution of consequence. The model proposed the human being are value maximized and it the, that sense are rational, but human differ in how they maximum the value. Psychological या conjugative types. There are two type of conjugative type of decision making. Systematic. First one is systematic. Problem is approached in a structured way in term of some formal method. And second is intuitive. Problem is approached with a multiple method using trial and error to find a solution. Information system of both and above method, one should be selected based on the problem at hand. Information system should follow a semantic and intuitive pattern based on the problem or case it is supposed to deal with. MIS and DSS can be seen as having a systematic approach toward problem solution. The concept of heuristic, fuzzy logic, etc. is devised to follow the intuitive problem. Organizational model is decision making. Organizations are thought to have singular goal controlled by senior level decision makers who were completely informed, who organize make decision as a whole following a certain models. First one is bureaucratic model. Whatever organization decide is a result of standard operating procedure involves over time. In general, organizations do not choose or decide in a rational sense. Instead, they choose a specific set of SOPs. Radical policy changing is discouraged at all cost. Empire building. Empire building is a business term that refers to a common problem in large organization in which managers attempt to gather more administrative and financial power. Power can only be shared in an organization with the key employee in terms of their responsibilities and functions. Such employees are the key player in the decision making process, and decision taken in an organization are a result of collective efforts of the leader involved. This model is also termed as political model. Garbage can model. This model states that organizations are not rational. Decisions made are largely on accidental basis. Hence, wrong solution may be applied to wrong problem in an organization and critical mistake may occur. Information systems should be designed to support and assist in relevant decision making instead of making unrelated and wrong decisions. System design and decision making. The purpose of elaborating the concept of decision making in the context of IS was to make you realize the importance of the fact that information system must support the management for timely and effective decision making while designing the information system output in terms of suitable important is essential to analyze, highlight, and bring to attention situations they may require decision making. The top manager looks for value addition to these his or her knowledge of business operations. The garbage can be described decision making in an organized anarchy and is based on the work of Kohan. Like the political view, it assumes a pluralist environment with multiple actor, goal and view. The garbage can model emphasizes the fragmentedness and chaotic nature of decision making in organization rather than the deliberate manipulation implied by the political view. If the garbage can model decision is an outcome or interpretation of several relative independent streams in an organization. The stream of problem, looking for solution and opportunities to be aired of solution, looking for issue to which they might provide an answer, and the participant who attend is divided and who come and go meet each other at a choice opportunity symbolized as a garbage can. When a decision is made, the garbage can is removed. These might happen without having solved all or some of the associated problem in the garbage can. Since participants are the ones generating the garbage or problem and solution, the decision made is totally depend on the making up of the term of participant in the can. The political view see decision making is as a personalized bargaining process driven by the agendas of participants rather than the rational process. People differ on the organization's goals, value, and the relevance of information. This decision making process never end but remain a continuous battle between different coalitions. After one group wins a round of the battle, other parties might regroup or become even more determined to win the next round. Influence and the power is wielded in a deliberate manner and to further self-interest. The goal of the qualities are defined by the self-interest rather than by what is good for the organization as a whole. One of the major contributor of politics and the power is decision making. The individual difference perspective focus the attention on the problem solving behavior of the individual manager as influenced by the manager's decision making style, background and personalized. It tries to explain how managers might use different method or come to different conclusion because of differing personalities. For example, apart from Keane and Scott Morton 1978, the individual difference perspective has not received much attention. This is probably because of the overall emphasis elsewhere on organization or group rather than individual decision making. Thank you.